Look.
Oh wow. Oh wow. That's it right there.
Yeah.
Okay, I need a mile marker. If you can, I will report that. Just give me a mile marker as soon as you can and give us a call sign nice and slow. WX0X net control, emergency traffic only.
Oh wow, guys. 142. 142. Hang on, I'm gonna get over.
You pull over right up here. Watch out for a car.
Skywar. We got a new tornado warning, Central Wake County and Central Arkansas until 8 p.m. At 7:24 p.m., National Weather Service radar severe thunderstorm. This storm was located near Searcy. Doppler radar shows this storm is moving northeast at 33 miles per hour. Locations in the path of this storm include Searcy, Fedsonia, West Point, Higginson, Providence.
Guys, my ears are popping.
Yeah, I pull over right up
Yep,
here.
we're in it right now. We're in the tornado. All right, we're pulling over. Yep, we're pulling over here.
So we need to back up.
Yeah, I think we got to back up a little bit.
Oh, I think we're good. Can you roll this window down so I stick my...
I ain't rolling my window down.
I'm gonna stick my phone out. Oh, crap, we're in it.